So this series will be purely dedicated to my automation that I actually made using Python. This will be the first video of this series, which will actually be in which I will be talking about SQL powered clipboard, which helps me to store data to my database in case I am surfing when I actually copy any data. So if I want to save that to database, then I have to move to my database and do stuff like that. So without doing that, I just, if I am surfing and I actually want to save that data, then I keep this script running on the back end, and I just do some things so to save this data to my SQL database. So I will show you how it works. I will start with running this script. So here you can see a tons of things are showed here. The first thing is actually showing me if I want to write some data to my clipboard. Clipboard is a temporary storage which helps me to store text. So I will store some data to my clipboard. Pybox works great, I guess. So my data was added to clipboard. So in case I actually want to see the data that is stored in my clipboard, so I will do this. Here you can see Pybox works great. So in case I want to save this data to my database, I will enter 3. Then it asks me if I want to insert this data to data in clipboard to my database. So I will click on Y. Then it asks me I want to enter a tag, since I am actually working as a key value pair like in dictionary. So I will enter Pybox since it is related to a Pybox data, and the data was inserted successfully. Now if I want to see the stored data of clipboard or the data stored in my database, I will see 4. Here you can see Pybox works great is stored in the database. Now in case I want to update this data, I am actually showing you how to implement CRUD operation with the same file. So in case I want to update the data, I will click on 5. Then it asks me for the ID is this value, so I will enter 2. It asks me the updated tag value. I don't want to update the tag value. Then it asks me if you want to update the value, then I will say Pybox is a great stuff, and that's it. So here you can see the row was updated, and I will see the data. So I will see the data. Pybox is a great stuff. Now I want to delete this data stored in my database, so I will do 6, and here it shows me the date, all the rows. Then I will just enter the ID that I want to delete. So here you can see it is 2. In case, it should be visible. So I will just 2, and the row was deleted. So if I will do something like 4, it shows me an empty row which says and no data is stored in the database. So if I want to exit this script, then I enter 7. It ends the script saying goodbye. So that's all for this video. If you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up, and in case you want a series related to this video, this script, then I will make sure to do it. And please, if you like it, then comment in the comment box, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.